Hello everybody, it's that Techy Guy here. Today I got a brand new Xbox One X and we are going to unbox it real quick. I got this great deal at Best Buy using a price match for Walmart.com. Got it for $3.49. Normal price is $4.99, of course. Voila. There we go. We are clear. Open her up. Alright, let's go ahead and take out our Series X here. Set that off to the side for just a second. Alright, let's go ahead and set this guy aside here. Look at this guy here. Alright, HDMI cable. Basic power cable. Alright. Very nice. Pretty much the same as the Xbox One 10 years ago. That's still cool. Our Xbox here. Tape this guy. This guy. One more tape. And voila. Alright. You know, it looks like Microsoft was kind of channeling something here. Kind of reminds me of this guy here. Take a look at that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe for more Xbox content, and I will catch you guys in the next one.